Imagine this. Tomorrow you wake up with three things: a laptop, internet, a skill. Could those three things actually become your paycheck? The internet makes it look deceptively easy. Everyone's got the secret formula now. At least that's what they're selling. But here's what nobody actually answers. How does online money really work? Strip away the apps, the websites, the hype. Money follows one rule. Someone has a problem. You solve it. If what you're offering is worth more than they're paying, the transaction happens. The internet doesn't change this. It just gives you millions more people to solve problems for. Path 1. The direct trade. Freelancing. You have a skill. Someone needs it. You get paid. Writing, code, design, video, research. It doesn't matter which. One thing matters more than the skill itself. Can you solve it well enough that someone actually pays? Forget thousands. Your first goal is different. Prove your skill is worth money. That first payment changes everything. It's proof. Your ability actually converts to money. What if you're starting from zero? Your first investment isn't money.
It's time. Pick one skill. Practice it daily. Don't scatter. Get good at one thing first. Every hour you invest raises what you can charge. Small skill, bigger service, actual income. Path 3, the long game. Content. Instead of one customer, create something millions could consume. At first, nobody cares. And this is where most fail. They want money before they've earned attention. Attention builds slowly. Create, grow, trust, monetize, in that order. Content isn't income, it's leverage you build first. Path 4, the referral, affiliate marketing. Simple rule, recommend what works to people who trust you. They buy, you get a cut. But here's what breaks most people. The link doesn't sell. Trust sells.
Nobody buys because a stranger said so. Build trust first. Revenue is just the consequence. Path 5. Build once, sell forever. Digital products. An ebook, a template, a course, a tool. Pick one. Don't aim for impressive. Aim for useful. Something that saves time, or teaches, or solves. Unlike freelancing, you don't trade hours. You trade once, sell infinite. That's leverage. But build for a real problem, not your ego. Path 6, the business move, online services. Starts like freelancing, but then something shifts. You stop thinking about your hours. You start thinking about systems. How do we solve this predictably? How do we make it faster? How do we automate what's repeatable? That's when you stop being a freelancer. You become a business owner. Path 7. Combine everything. A real business. Watch the pattern. Skill creates value. Content builds audience. Products turn that audience into revenue. Systems make it scale. Your income stops being tied to your hours. You're building something that grows without you. But one thing kills more beginners than anything else. They switch constantly. Freelancing one week, content the next, drop shipping the week after. Anything but consistent. You don't need perfect, you need committed. Here's what actually works. Step 1, learn one skill. Step 2, solve one real problem with it. Step 3, get paid. Then repeat. Get better each time. Increase the price slowly. And here's what every make money video gets wrong. This isn't about making money. It's about buying something money can't usually buy. Freedom. Control over your time. Control over your choices. Control over your life. The internet won't make you rich on its own, but it'll multiply whatever skill you actually develop. Want more on money, psychology, and building actual wealth? Subscribe and comment. What's the one skill you'd commit to right now?